Hello, everybody. I just applied for a job at Google for a front-end position.
Good job.
Good job, Mike.
Yeah.
Thank you.
I received a rejection letter.
Oh, that's okay. Have a red heart.
How about Tada?
Keep your head high, man.
I applied for a junior web developer position at Seats.
Good job.
Ooh.
And I applied for a software engineering position at Teenage Engineering.
Raise hand.
Way to go. So being in the market for a new job can be exhausting. Filling out countless forms and sending your resume everywhere. Sometimes you get a response, but mostly you'll hear nothing. With our app, we're trying to bring community support to fellow job seekers as we go through our job search. I'm going to pass to Hao to introduce our site.
Thank you, Fred. So before I get into the home feed, I just want to talk about that. Our website is mobile friendly. So as you can see, we're at iPhone X, and it has a hamburger bar. And you can see the links to our webpage. Now let me get out of that. So here we are at the homepage, and it is this is where the users, after they submit their applications, it will populate here. We have 4 options that you can display for your newsfeed. One is you can hide the companies and simply just shows that you apply at positions. Second would be that you can hide what position that you apply for and simply just display the company's name. Or if you want to hide both the company and the position, then it would populate that you just apply for a job. And the fourth one would be if you want to show both of them, then it would be to say I apply for a software engineer position at Sparrow Company. And this is where the users or guests that are on our website can show support by clicking on the icon, and it will increment. You get a heart, you get a raised hand, you get a grin, you get a ta-da. And we also have infinite scrolls. So if you keep going down, you can see that it keeps populate more and more. All right. And with that, I will pass it on to Mike to talk about the tracker.
Hello, so I'm going to sign in. And once I've applied for a company, I can enter the company's information by entering the company's name right here, the job title that I'm pursuing, and I click save the application. So what this does is it updates the feed. I applied for a front-end position at IBM. This updates the feed to gain support from fellow job seekers on the app, where they can send me an emoji, and as you see, it increments. Also, going back to the tracker page, I can filter through all of my applications with keyword reference, search dynamically, searching for Amazon. Okay, I can update the applications based on the stage. So say if I got an interview, I would check the interview. Or say I got a rejection. So with the rejection, yeah, this also updates the feed. With the post displaying, I was rejected from IBM for the front-end position. This feature highlights the moral of the app, being that we want job seekers to feel encouraged to submit applications and being rejected, because that's all a part of the developer's journey. And from here, I'm going to pass it on to Jorge for the profile.
Okay, so this is the profile page. And right here is keeping statistics of all the emojis and likes you've received from other users. And so you can see right here that I have 8 raised hand emojis, 15 heart emojis, and 10 ta-da emojis, along with 38 grinning emojis. Along with that, you can actually upload or update a profile picture. So if I want to go ahead and update a profile picture, I can just click choose file. So if I want to look for a specific picture, I'm going to go ahead and look for my headshot. go ahead and open that. And then there will be a preview right there letting you know if you want to upload this picture. I like how it looks, so I'm going to go ahead and click save. And it should actually update on the home feed. And so you can see right here on the upper left corner that my picture is updated with my current avatar. And another thing I want to show you guys is that if I go to the top 5 tab, it's a little ranking system showing the amount of applications each user has submitted. So you can see right here, Mike Warren too has actually applied for 56 positions. So because of that, he gets a little first place ribbon that's stamped right there to kind of encourage him to keep going and to kind of keep applying for jobs. So we keep track of the top 5, and each card has a little box shadow that you can see when you highlight over it. And if I scroll even further, you can actually see my footer. And the footer just kind of contains information about the website itself, along with the developers who made this application. And it includes our LinkedIn and our GitHub page.